Hello and welcome to ActivTrades biggest market movers. Today I'll be looking at the euro against the US dollar. I'll be discussing the recent trading history on this currency pair. I'll also be trying to identify the key technical areas as we move into a new trading week for the euro dollar. So on Friday we finally had the Jackson Hole speech from Janet Yellen. She indicated that the case for raising rates in September had strengthened, and also a number of Fed members really echoed her sentiments. And if we have a look at really the trading history on Friday, we saw that this spike here in the euro dollar, it came up to around the 1340 area, and of course that was the third really lower high from that high that had been set back in the week. We didn't pierce it, and the market sold off sharply from this area, and we ended the week underneath the 112 area. Now, whether you believe that the Fed will raise rates in September with an election in December, and also a Fed that has been very cautious so far, really remains to be seen. And of course we have the non-farm payrolls on Friday. I think that will dictate the sentiment for trading in the US dollar in the month of September. If we have a look really at the technical areas, I've attached a Fibonacci retracement from the high of last week to the Brexit low, and we can see we ended the week right around there, around the 111.90 area. If we have a look at the next line of support for the euro dollar, we of course have the 50% retracement of that move around the 111.36. And I've also here identified by using a black line at the 200-day moving average on a daily basis, and that is sat at around the 111.19, and that will be a crucial indicator. Of course, once we're underneath the 200-day, then this will of course turn bearish. So that may be where we're headed at some point this week for the euro dollar. If we look on the upside, we really have very tentative resistance around the 112.60 area, of course being that last real retracement of resistance on the Fibonacci retracement here. And of course you've got the highs here, but I think at the moment we may see some subdued trade on the euro dollar as we move towards that crucial non-farm payrolls on Friday. And of course if we have a look at other areas of support on the euro dollar, we have that crucial area that I've mentioned before, the 110.66, and really once we're underneath the 200-day and underneath that 10.66, if we can get underneath there, then the euro may start to turn bearish here. But of course it's early days, and we'll see what happens with the non-farm payrolls on Friday. Thank you very much. This has been ActivTrades biggest market movers.